I have spent much of my life at the frontier of science to witness within a single generation how biology moved from the laboratory into everyday life and created the realm of biotechnology.
And I said, we're not sending a video. We're going to fly over there, even if it's for a few hours, and we're going to show up because we care about this place.
It is now my honor to invite the Honorable Shri D.K. Shivakumar, Chief Minister of Karnataka, to address the gathering.
Good evening to all of you. Namaskar. I was wondering when the Ambassador Excellency was just reminding you whether it is evening or afternoon. I think various representing the industry, commerce, everyone is here. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my pleasure to stand before you today to inaugurate this Quantum as a science gallery. As I'm very particularly happy that the CEO and the senior representative from the Indian American companies working in quantum technologies are with us this evening. Very big, though the number may be small, but important leaders are here in this quantum technology. Quantum technology, I know that it requires sustainable collaboration between government, universities, scientists, innovators, startups, and established industries. Bangalore has already offered growing ecosystem as the startups and the global technology companies now in Karnataka. As the ambassador was telling, the number of companies in Bangalore, which is more than 1,000 companies here, I think already we are looking at. Now you all know that in Esragata, we are building the first quantum city in ecosystem for research laboratory, and all of them are helping. We are committed, Karnataka government is committed to extend beyond Bangalore. The local economy, we have a company that we have a program that even in outside Bangalore, for the excellence of various issues, we are there. On quantum, artificial intelligence, computing, a lot of things we are looking at outside Bangalore also. Today in this science gallery, we are closely connected to this vision with Professor Ghosh, and our task force chairman also is here. Janvi, I think she presented very well what has to be said to all of us, and a lot of things they expect from us. Don't worry, Janvi, Karnataka government is committed to with all of you, and Kiran is also very much. We all are looking forward. We know if science grows, world grows, country grows, and Tata Institute earlier itself. We have a big history on science. I don't want too much, though I don't know much about quantum, but I'm told that quantum science shapes the future of computing, communication, healthcare, and advanced technology. I was discussing with one of our friends and our ambassador also. I was told more than 2 lakh foreign American passports working from the different part of the world is here. It is our responsibility to ensure that our young people can engage with this type of development and opportunities which can have. That is why institutions like this matter to us. As the funding of our government partnering, as our ambassador said that definitely we are open to work, and I am very happy that the entire world is looking at Bangalore. Through Bangalore, India is growing.